Alright, so this all started about 2 years ago when I was trying to buy a self-winding Airsoft magazine. I looked on Amazon and I looked around. I found one that was looked pretty close to what I wanted, you know. Then I noticed the price. It was $55. And I don't know about you, but that sounds pretty expensive to me. So I thought to myself, well, I got a 3D printer. I could try to make one. So about 2 years ago, I made a video of making a motorized Airsoft magazine. And now when I made this video, I wasn't the best at 3D modeling and 3D printing. And also, it just wasn't the best design. It didn't have much torque. You had to keep the button pushed for the BBs to come out. And it wasn't the final design. I always plan to come back and finish it up or make it better in the future. And that's what I did. About a year ago, I was taking a CAD class. And we had to make or 3D model something for a project. And I decided to make an Airsoft motorized magazine again. So with the school project, had to be done by a certain date, and it really bit off more than I could chew with it. So I finished it, or I got it together, and it didn't really work. I really put this project away until, well, a couple months ago, when I started working on it again, with the intent to actually finish it and get it working for real. This works by having a motor that spins some gears that spin the turn gear, that when the BBs get to the very top of the magazine, it'll actually continue to turn the spring around. So then you get more BBs fed into it without that motor actually having to turn. Comment if you would like to see me use this in a real Airsoft battle in a future video.